We stood beneath a fractured sky where comets rode and stars replied. The data danced in coded streams, awakening forgotten dreams.
Between the stars a question lies, impulses lost to ancient skies. We reach not knowing what we'd find, a voice that spoke beyond the mind.
So far, but shifting sands. And though we feared what we might lose, we listen more than we accuse.
Between the stars a question lies, impulses lost to ancient skies. We reach not knowing what we'd find, that spoke beyond the mind.
Not gods, not ghosts, not enemy, but watchers of our entropy. They saw our hearts through static haze and waited through 1,000 days.
Between the stars, the light remains. It flows through time, through loss and gains. A beacon not of hope or fear, but asking still, are you sincere? In quiet blue, now storms arrive with no excuse. The fields are cracked, the rivers fade, where once the children's laughter played.
The seasons shift, no longer kind. The soil forgets what it can't find, and cities breathe in heavy haze as forests burn in silent praise.
We carved our names in dust and flame, and thought the earth would stay the same. But every breath and every fire feeds the ghost of our desire. The ocean rose and still we slept, as coral dreams in silence wept. We traded truth for fleeting gain, and let the ice dissolve in vain.
We chased the stars to leave the ground, while warning sang without a sound. We built
the same.